So this might have been one of the dumbest trades that I've taken personally. Um, it blows me the more and more I trade because I realize where I fuck up, and it's like I still choose to do it. You know, it's like insanity. I have days where I could really just be on a streak, but then again, it's like that streak just hasn't been shown. And I've realized the more and more I trade, it's not even the market. Price action was beautiful this week, in my opinion. I found some good setups. We're in quarter four right now. I found some good setups. Even though the government shut down, I really found some very good setups. But then there's also been the bad setups, and the bad setups leads to more bad setups, and that bad setup leads to more bad setups. I personally am going to hold myself accountable in this video because I know where I went wrong, and I still chose to do the exact same thing. So this video isn't even about the markets. It's not about my strategy. I've back tested, so I know my strategy works. I know my strategy is good. I know my risk management could be improved, and that's why in this video I'm going to show you why it was pretty iffy, because it was on me. But I'm holding myself accountable this video. And to anybody that does show support, any love, you know what I'm saying, that also go through this same phase too, hold yourself accountable. Hold me accountable. Hold each other accountable. Because at the end of the day, we all want to win. We all want to see success. We all want to grow. We all want to make profits, and we all want to live the life that we dreamed of, the one that we see on the screen. You know what I'm saying? Be healthy, have a good relationship with God, and just more importantly, be better individuals for ourselves. So, moral of the story, don't be me. Or don't be me today. I'm going to show you guys exactly why you should not. And I'm going to also show you guys something that you probably didn't think you would see in literally a couple of days. But yet here we are, and we are down negative 1739 on the combine. It's a combine. Regardless, though, the combine still is something that of course you want to pass the combine quickly. You know what I'm saying? I completely understand that. I am very confident in my strategy alone, so that's why I feel like I can pass a combine to a certain extent very quickly. But yeah, when it comes to today alone, I would not say it was more of my strategy that wasn't intact. It was more so me and not being patient and not reading just the market and overall market structure. Going into the day, we were clearly bearish. You know what I'm saying? Clearly bearish. Took out London session highs, London session lows and Asia session lows, created an S&T on NASDAQ. ES, initially, this was beforehand, ES did not take it out, but NASDAQ did take it out, so I was looking to go long. You know what I'm saying? And we had some long potential. Today, I took 4 trades. I don't even take that much. Never. I've never taken that much. Usually, most trades I ever take, and I'll show you 4 trades, is usually 2 or 3. If it's not 2 or 3, or like a break even, it's either 2 or it's like 1 or 2. This was most likely a break-even trade. I'm not even gonna lie. Let's actually see. See, a break-even trade. I would never sit here and lie to you guys. So when it comes to that, I took 1 break-even in the beginning. I'll show you that trade real quick in a minute. This was the trade that I initially took. It was a retracement in here, and I was looking to tap into this 15-minute inverse fair value gap, bearish inverse fair value gap. We had some movement to the upside, and then I went break even here when I saw that price, and I saw that the corresponding asset, they weren't really together at that point, and ES was moving in a complete downtrend while NQ was moving in an uptrend, and then it started slowly but gradually moving down. I then took this trade. This was my next trade. This was no. I then took this trade. This was my next trade. I took 4 trades today. We had this confluence. We surpassed and created this one I don't hold myself fully accountable on, because this is usually how I would trade, you know. So boom, we created a inverse fair value gap here on the 5-minute time frame. Wasn't really paying too much attention about this, you know, these bearish Drake candles just coming down, storming us our way. Was going for targeting a 1-to-1, lost that, right? And I have this actually all recorded, so if I could find a way to really just speed that up and just put that on one video, I will. But yeah, boom, here. This one was literally, and this is the trade I hold myself accountable on, this was so uncalled for. I didn't have to take this. I tried to go long 3 times. I didn't have to take this. My bias was long. I was looking at bearish. I was looking at a potential bearish trade, but for some odd reason I chose not to take it. And it's the trades that I don't want to take, or the trades that I'm unsure of taking, or the trades that I see but I don't catch it, but I know where it's going to go, that I end up knowing where it's going to go. But the trades that I don't take, or the trades that I do take, they never go in my favor. Why is that? And that has to do with something regarding me. And that's something that I'll probably just have to take the time to figure out. Right now, I'm definitely just going to have to take a break on the evals. And more so just focus on TradingView and just overall market delivery and knowing how to execute efficiently. Because when it comes to overall market structure and understanding a bias and understanding where price would want to go, I know we're eventually going to go higher. On the 1 hour time frame, we haven't even touched into our discounted area yet, so I know this is just some selling pressure that's most likely going to turn bullish long term. I insisted on catching 4 trades and lost 3 of them, but only went break even on 1. And this one was just a breaking point. This one was the manipulation. After we caught the manipulation here, we rose up. We had some displacement to the upside. Then we instantly came back and rejected down even lower. More or less, I understand the losses of the trades. I understand the losses of every single trade that I took today. What I don't understand is why I keep allowing myself to be put into these situations, because I realize it's not even the market no more. I have that analysis. I have that risk management. I could risk how much I really want to risk, and then I could do the calculated risk if I need to, and then boom, execute. Why don't I just do that? There's certain things that really blow me, but at the same time, I'm young. I'm not really fully developed, not fully mature, and I know it will take time. And maybe, just maybe, if I just have a grace of faith, it will happen. But I know it will happen. I know my time will come. I know I'll be seeing the profits. I know I'll be seeing I'll be living, you know what I'm saying, the life that I want, taking care of the people that I want, ensuring that they're good. But it all starts with me. And it starts with patience, discipline, and self-control. And that's something I have on the charts every single day. Literally. Yet, here I am, taking 3 bad trades. Well, 2 bad trades. I don't hold myself accountable for these 2. These 2 would have been fine, and I got off the charts. Because I'm fine with losing. I'm comfortable losing. And to be honest, I'm comfortable losing too. Clearly, I've been losing so much. I don't question if God has done this to me, or if this is like something that I got to do. I know the reason why I'm here is all on me. God has given me and gave me the platform. He's given me the system. He's allowed me to find risk management, a good strategy, a strategy that has been backtested and worked multiple times. ICT concept, ICT, SMC, you know what I'm saying, favor tracements, equilibrium. And sometimes more or less moving averages. That sounds like a lot, but I don't really use every single thing. The moving averages just assist me. He's given me all of that. He's granted me all of that. And it's like, as he's giving it to me, and he has his hand wide open, I'm pushing it away. There's no need for me to do that. You feel me? I know my capabilities as a trader. I know that I'm going to be profitable. I know I'm going to be in great standing. But it all starts with me. It all starts with me. It is very unfortunate that I lost another trading combine. Especially since this is like phase 1 for me, and I've been here before. This should be light, you know? And it is. But I'm putting myself in positions where I'm backtracking instead of progressing. And this is why I'm making this video specifically, to just keep myself accountable. Remind myself that if I'm not going to do it, who will? So, to Jay, lock in. It's only a matter of time. We're only growing, and we're already in recession. Life is getting harder every single day. Why play around? To anybody out there who probably lost an eval, to anyone out there that probably lost a trade, to anyone out there that did win a trade, good. And yes, good to the people that lost as well. Because you learn something along the journey, you learn something along the way. And if you think it's just the markets, if you think that it's just your strategy, it's probably not. It's either just you. I believe in you. I believe that your strategy could work. I believe that if you have good risk management, it could definitely work. I believe if you have good psychology, it can majority, the psychology wins. It's 70% of trading, if we're being honest. And if you don't have if you're not in that headspace, right mindset for the day, ready, prepared, ready to analyze, no. I'm not profitable, but I know that for myself. No. That's not how that works. So to anyone out there, just know, don't worry, you got it. Your time will come. Our time will come. We'll all be at the top. We all will. The people that put in the work, the people that show up every single day, the people that are consistent, we will make it to the top. Right now, we just have moments. Right now, I just have moments where I'm slipping up, losing that self-control, all that stuff that I've been building and working on. But it's going to come back for sure, and I believe in it. These losses don't mean nothing to me. These trades don't mean nothing to me. The profits don't mean nothing to me. The losses, the money that I'm losing, it don't mean nothing to me, because I know in return I'll have such a great investment, like a great return from all the hard work, all the invested, all the hours, no nights of sleeping, studying London session, Asian session, post market, pre market, all those times of putting in all the hard work is gonna pay off. And I'm saying this to everybody, it's gonna pay off. This is a little 13-minute video, just me rambling of me losing another eval. And so what? I don't care. I lost the eval, but guess what? I'm gonna get it again. But not right now though. It's best I really just take some time to really just understand really more of my execution and sticking to really not trying to force setups, and let the market do its thing and I just be there to react. And I say it so often, but I have to start putting in the work to actually do it. I don't like saying things and not putting in the work. It makes me look like a hypocrite and I'm contradicting myself. So I'm making this video especially for myself, to hold myself more accountable than I should. I'm a great trader. I am. I have a good setup. I have a great system. More importantly, I will and am funded. I am a profitable trader. And once I keep telling myself that, it's going to happen. So I look back at this video. I don't care if I'm judged, because I know no matter what, we're all trying to reach somewhere. And it all starts with day one. So what are you going to do? Nobody's opinions could cloud my judgment. I know the real ones out there. Shout out to all the real ones. Y'all want to see me win. And I appreciate y'all, because I definitely got y'all when I'm up. We all going to be up. So that's really it for the video. You know what I'm saying? I just want to let you guys know about that. The trade overall, and just how I'm feeling. And just to let you guys know, to prove to y'all that I literally am a good trader, look, it's crazy. It's really crazy to say. It's unfortunate that I got stopped out because, I didn't have much imbalance, but look. You gonna tell me I can't make it? I'm telling you. It's possible. Just stick to it. Stick to your strategy. Build good risk management. Build good psychology. And more importantly, don't let this shit bother you. You'll be up. We'll be up. And I'll see you at the top. To every single one. I'll see y'all all at the top. God bless. Take care of your family. Stay safe. And love.